this chapter, you are going to learn what is already working for your competitor, and I am going to show you 2 tools which is working fine for your competitors, and this is going to tell you what kind of content you should pick for your content strategy. Let's start. Alright, so BuzzSumo is a tool which help you find the top competitors' content. Like for example, if you have a keyword called content strategy, then if you search the keyword here in this tool, you are going to find what are the top shareable content on social media on those subjects. Alright, let me show you how we do it. This is the tool BuzzSumo. I will write keyword here, content marketing. When I find this keyword, I will find top content which is ranking for this keyword, most shared on social media. If you see here, it got 755 Facebook engagement and the total engagement is 5000K. Isn't it amazing? Now when you know this content is already working and this content got so many engagement, you can dive into this content. You can click on these links, you can check what kind of content this is shared in this article, what are the tools, tips, techniques is shared in this content, and then you can make your content strategy around your keywords. Another tool is Ubersuggest. In Ubersuggest, when you enter the keyword here, you will see a lot of keyword suggestions as well as what kind of content got so many likes, clicks, social media shares that you can find here. Like for content strategy, content marketing is getting 3000 social shares. And now you know, you have seen this social proofs, now you know this content is working. Just open this content and see what they are doing, what you are not doing, and you have to find those gaps which you have to fill in your content strategy, and that is how it is going to work for you. Like if you see, there is content marketing whole article in-depth guide is written over here, and that is why it is ranking for our target keyword. You will see how many keywords how many times they use this keyword, what is the depth of the content, what strategies they have covered in the content. You can implement those learnings in your articles, your blog, your content, and you will make your content better than this, and that is how people will give you more links, and your content going to rank higher and higher in the search engine by doing this.